what's it for? A big red ball rolls across the floor, bouncing high and dropping flat. What is this and what is that? What is this and what is that? Curious minds will always chat. Round and round the answers go, learning things we didn't know. What is that up in the sky? A shiny thing that's floating by. It's a kite with tails that flap. What is this and what is that? A puzzle here, a story there, questions sprouting everywhere. Let's explore the world so wide. Take a peek, don't run and hide. What is this and what is that? Curious minds will always chat. Round and round the answers go, learning things we didn't know. A puzzle here, a story there,
Who I am?
everywhere. Let's explore the world so wide.
What do you know about me? Welcome to another fun adventure on our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that dances in the sky, rides the wind, and brings smiles to everyone's faces. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's kites. Kites are like magical flying friends. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are shaped like butterflies, dragons, or even your favorite superheroes. But do you know how kites fly? It's all thanks to the wind. When the wind blows, it lifts the kite up into the sky. And now I love the kite that I like to play with until it flies into the sky. So, what do you think? Are you ready to fly your own kite? All you need is a kite, some string, and a little bit of wind. Oh, and don't forget to find a big open space, like a park or a beach, where your kite can fly freely. Thanks for joining us on this magical kite adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our fun videos. Until next time,